guys, this is Sherry from Share Bear Cottage, and I'm welcome. This is Boho Daydreams Collage Challenge for week number 10. Now, what this challenge says is a woman who goes into the forest and becomes one with the forest. Well, this is so difficult for me. I have no magazines or anything with pictures, anything like this. So I found this one from an ad, this woman's face. I want to incorporate her inside this tree with some of this other stuff in the background, maybe. Or, yeah, this is difficult for me. I could put her face under here somehow. This is a more circular kind of picture. I don't know. The only thing I guess I can do is just try to begin. We'll see what happens. I don't have a clue about what I'm going to do or what's happening, so we'll just put this lady's face in here and do the best we can. I don't know what else to tell you. I had all kinds of ideas, but I can't find the picture of a woman, that is gonna work. So what I can do is I can, maybe put her face in there. I'd rather, instead of having her smiling, I'd rather have her screaming. And let's see, I also need to color up. Let's see if I can get some color on here. It was pretty strange. This is not what I had in mind at all, but what are you going to do? I've thought about this about 3 days and nothing's working. Actually, longer than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this picture down here, and it's probably the most boring video you're going to see, and we'll just let it be. I'm lost for inspiration and tools. Yeah, I thought I'd be able to find a picture. It's hard to even find a picture on the web unless you pay or sign in to some site or sign up with some site or some dang thing. So I think I'm just going to put her in here best I can with just part of her showing like that, and then put this down. She's probably screaming help and laughing about it. No? I don't know. So I will be glad when we're done with this woman series. It's not my favorite. if it continues, I might have to be doing something else on Wednesday, but we'll see what happens. Maybe others are having more fun with this than I, but to me, it's not fun. What else could I do with this? Who knows? Where's that black pencil of mine? Oh, this is a brown one. I don't know if it would right on here. I want to dirty her up a little bit. Yeah, I'd much rather she be screaming instead of smiling. Would be much better. And of course, you know, nothing's going to work on magazine paper, right? Hope all of you are having a good week. I've been having an okay day. Been working hard today, spinning my wheels mostly. And I'm going to put her behind some. Can't see her very well that way. That's better. Thought I'd also incorporate some of these other pictures that I have, but that doesn't seem quite right either. I can't think of anything else. There she is. She dissolved into the forest. All right, this is going to be one of my shortest videos. I have nothing else to add to this. So this is going to be Boho Daydreams number 10, week number 10. And I will take some pictures and put it up, and that'll be it. Okay, we'll call this a wrap and have a wonderful rest of the week. I'll see y'all on Friday. Okay, bye-bye.